Safety Technology International. Rely on STI. Preparing and mounting your theft stopper. Inside the box, you will receive an operating cable and a 6-inch service cable, mounting equipment with a tamper-proof wrench, install sheet, 21 language labels, and the theft stopper unit. Removing the cover. Remove tamper screw with provided wrench. To remove the cover from the base, push down the cable inlet to separate. Setting your volume control. Select the volume setting by shifting the black cap. Powering the alarm. Insert the 6-inch service cable into the inlet. The cable should not exceed past the base edge. Remove and unwrap the battery. Connect and reinsert the battery. Test the unit by removing the cable until the alarm sounds. Reinsert the cable to stop the alarm. Mounting the theft stopper. You will require the following tools. Position the base and mark 4 holes as drilling guides. Pre-drill all 4 holes. If required, hammer in plastic anchors. Secure the base to the wall with the provided screws. Replace the cover by sliding from the top and pressing the unit in until it snaps into place. Secure with the tamper screw. Apply language label if desired. Wrap the operating cable around a secure location on the life safety equipment and through the sleeve clamp. Assure this does not impede proper use of the equipment. Crimp securely. Quickly remove the service cable and thread the operating cable into the unit until the alarm stops sounding. Retain the service cable for future maintenance. Your theft stopper is now ready to protect your life safety equipment.